Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the stage. Enable airplane mode so radios are off, then immediately re-enable Wi-Fi. Why? Because flight regulations require cellular off, but Wi-Fi is often allowed and needs manual reactivation. Once done, open Settings Wi-Fi to pick the onboard network or use the carrier app if the airline has one. Make sure Bluetooth for headphones is handled separately. This prevents unexpected roaming charges and keeps the phone compliant while letting you use approved internet services. Next, you connect and authenticate. Choose the airline SSID and wait for the captive portal to load. If a login page doesn't appear, force it by opening a browser to any non-HTTPS page, or use the airline app to sign in. Apps often bypass portal issues. If the portal fails, forget the network and try again. That clears cached settings. Make sure your payment method and account credentials are ready so you won't fumble with input mid-flight. Finally, use the connection wisely. Stream at lower quality or rely on offline content to avoid congestion. Many apps have download modes that work best in limited bandwidth. If you lose access, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or briefly re-enable airplane mode, then Wi-Fi to reset radio states. If login or billing still fails, ask crew or airline support. Sometimes the onboard system needs a restart. One tip: clear the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.